A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Okay, so now you draw H and use light green color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O and use purple color. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and use sky blue color. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Last we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now you draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use yellow color. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so now you draw 26 and use green color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and lastly draw 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.